Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to discover music in Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now once you sign in, you can see at the bottom of your screen there are options like home, search and your library. All you have to do is tap on search. There are options like music, podcasts, live events, made for you, new releases, pop, etc. You just have to tap on music and you can see right at the top there is discover new music. There you can discover new music, or scroll down you can see options like made for you, which is made for you based on the songs you've listened previously, or new releases, pop, hip hop, rock, Latin, charts or dance or electronic. Right below that you can see explore all categories. Tap on it and you can see a huge number of categories for you to discover music. You can discover music under all these genres like Afro, alternative, ambient, anime, at home, blues, Caribbean, charts, chill, classical, cooking and dining, country, dance or electronic, decades, discover and so much more. And guys, that's it. That's how you discover music on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.